Now, good morning to everybody. Now we are discussing integration, definite integration, 2 markers. So we will do some more sums on that. Then we will end the 2 markers. We will go for areas which is not there in our this year's syllabus. But this is there in our this year's syllabus for 2 markers. So we will do those 2 markers first. We will finish them on today. Now, integral of 0 to 2 pi sin square x into cos power 4x dx. This is same as it is like yesterday's sin power m into cos power m. But the problem is not 0 to pi by 2. It should be 0 to pi by 2, we have formula. But it is 2 pi. So how to do? We will go for the property number 5 or 6, I do not remember the number, that the property is 0 to 2a fx dx equal to 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to f of x minus f of x, it is 0. Or 2 into 0 to a fx dx, 2 into 0 to a fx dx, if f of 2a minus x equal to plus f of x, f of 2a minus x equal to plus f of x. 0 to 2a fx dx is 0 if f of 2a minus x is minus f of x, and 2 into 0 to a fx dx if f of 2a minus x equal to plus f of x. So we will check first f of 2a minus x means sin of 2 pi minus x, third quadrant, fourth quadrant sign negative, but square is there automatically plus. Again this also cos power 4. Simply this is an even function. So f of 2a minus x is fx only, you will get automatically. So no minus fx. So since if I am taking this I, according to that formula, I can write, since it is an even function type, so I can take 2 into, I can write 2 into 0 to a here is pi. 0 to 2 pi means 2a. So f of 2a minus x equal to f of x I am getting. So I can write 2 into 0 to a fx dx. 2 into 0 to pi fx dx. So sin square x into cos power 4x dx. Sin square x into cos power 4x dx. Now 2 into, this is integral of 0 to pi, 0 to pi. Here there are 2 ways of doing the sum. You can apply the formula, that is, again this pi I can write as 2 into pi by 2. Pi I can write as 2 into pi by 2 sin square x into cos power 4x dx. Another way is writing the sin square as 1 minus cos square. You can convert everything in terms of cos. No need of sin power and cos power n. So that is another way about to solve. Related. This is 2 into, this is 0 to 2a fx dx. So 0 to 2a fx dx. So what is sin pi minus x? F of, now I am finding f of 2a minus x. That is f of 2 into pi by 2, pi minus x. So wherever x is there, I am going to substitute pi minus x. Sin pi minus x again plus sin pi minus x, sin x. Cos pi minus x is minus cos x, but power 4 is automatically plus. So again it is an even type. So 2 into 2, again this becomes 4 into 0 to a. Here this time a is pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into cos power 4x. Sin square x into cos power 4x dx. Sin square x into cos power 4x dx. Now here the same property mn. So mn means take cos power I told. So 4 minus 1, 3 by m plus n. M plus n means adding these two. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. So 3 by 6 into, now subtracting 2 from 3, so becomes 1. 2 from here becomes 4. This is 1 by m plus 2, always observe. 1 by 2 plus 2. Now go for the sign item. Sign property 2 you have. So 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So your final result will be, so, and I forgot to write this 4 into 4. 4 into this. 4 into this much. So 4 got cancelled. So left out is pi by 8. Pi by 8 is our final result. Pi by 8 is our final result. Next one. Integral of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Sin cube x into cos cube x dx. Sin cube x into cos cube x dx. If you observe, this is like minus a to plus a. What is the formula of property? Minus a to plus a we discussed as the property, I think. So minus a to plus a fx dx equal to minus a to plus a fx dx equal to 0. If f is odd, means f of minus x equal to minus f of x is equal to 2 into 0 to a fx dx. Same formula. If f is even, means f of minus x equal to plus f of x. So f of minus x equal to plus f of x, it is 2 into 0 to a fx dx. If it is even. If it is odd, f of minus equal to minus f of x implies integral of this value is simply 0. Integral of its value is simply 0. So we will check whether it is odd or even first. Means f of minus x I will find. F of minus x is minus sin cube x. Or I will write one more thing. Sin cube of minus x into cos cube of minus x. But sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So I will write minus outside minus sin cube x. But cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. So that is cos cube x only. So becomes minus f of x only. This f of x, I am finding f of minus x. I got minus f of x. Implies f is odd. F is odd. F is odd. F is odd means what is the integral value? F of x equal to minus f of x. Then its integral value is simply 0. Simply 0. No need to do. No need to do. Since f is odd, its value is 0. Its value is 0. Like this we will do. If it is an odd function, simply we will write 0. If it is even, we will continue like previous sum. Here, there are two ways of doing this sum. One is 0 to a fx dx, like f of a minus x you can apply, or you can take x equal to sin theta or cos theta. So I am taking x equal to sin square theta, x equal to sin square theta. I am taking x equal to sin square theta. Now with respect to x, so what do I get? Derivative of x is 1. Sin square theta derivative 2 sin theta into inner derivative cos theta into d theta by dx. Now the dx to this side. So I can write in place of dx 2 sin theta cos theta d theta, and changing the limits. Upper limit is 1 if I substitute here. Sin square theta equal to 1 implies theta equal to pi by 2. When sin limit is 1. And lower limit is theta equal to 0 because sin 0 is 0. Now if I change the limits 0 to pi by 2, the equation becomes 0 to pi by 2. X power 5 means sin square theta whole power 5 becomes sin power 10 theta. Sin power 10 theta into sin power 10 theta into 1 minus sin square theta. This is becomes cos square theta whole power 5 by 2. Whole power 5 by 2 into dx. Dx is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Now this becomes 2 outside. If I write, left out is 0 to pi by 2. Sin power 10 into sin becomes sin power 11 theta. Sin power 11 theta into this is cos power 5 theta into cos power 6 theta. Cos power 6 theta d theta. Cos power 6 theta d theta. Now I can go for 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power mx. N minus 1 means 6 minus 1 pi by m plus n. M plus n means adding these two. 6 plus 11 17. 6 plus 11 17. Numerator is 5. Now subtracting 2 from the numerator, it becomes 3 by here 15 into 1 by 15 minus 2 is 12. Oh, sorry. 15 minus 2 13 into now I got 1 by m plus 2 observe 11 plus 2 13. Now 1 by m plus 2 means you should do for sin power 11 theta. So that is 10 by 11 into subtracting 2 8 by 9 subtracting 2 6 by 9 minus 2 7 into 4 by 5 into 2 by 3. If it is 2 by 3, leave it like that. If it is 1 by 2, into pi by 2 into pi. Now, if anything gets simplified, you can do that. So, 3 is to 5, 15 cancels. Next, any more cancellations if you can. 5 2s are times. And next, any more cancellations if you can do. I think no more cancellations. All are even numbers in the numerator, denominator, all are odd numbers. So no cancellation will go. Now left out is any more cancellation. 3 2 ja. Now left out is 8 into 16. 16 2 ja 32. 32 into 2 64. 64 into 4 256. 256 divided by multiply all this. 17 into 13 into 11 into 9 into 7. Multiply all this. So this is 256 into this 2 I forgot. So this into 2. So becomes 256 into 2 by denominator multiplying all this. What is that? Valuantra. So 512 divided by 153. 153 is the final result. Is the final result we are going to get. Next one. Integral of -3 to 3, 9 minus x square whole power 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2. We'll follow the same method. Let x equal to sin theta or cos theta. Here no need to take square because already we gave square. So I will take let x equal to either sin or cos. I am taking sin theta. Let x equal to sin theta. This with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1. Sin theta derivative is cos theta into inner derivative d theta by dx. The dx to this side. So dx equal to cos theta d theta. Now limits. If I substitute -3, sorry, this is 9 minus 3. Sin cannot be more than 1. So I will take here 3 theta. Here 3 theta. X equal to 3x equal to 3 sin theta. If I take x equal to 3 sin theta, then it will be balanced like it. Observe, because this is 9, 3 square is 9. So automatically this is 3 by 3, 1. So 100% balances. So let x equal to 3 sin theta. Then dx equal to 3 cos theta d theta. Dx equal to 3 cos theta d theta. Observe, according to here, if this is a, take a sin theta, a square. If it is a square minus x square, take a sin theta or a cos theta, automatically it will be balanced. Now, this is a square is 3 square here, so I am taking a sin theta, that is 3 sin theta. 3 sin theta. Now what is upper limit? Now you check the limits. So if I substitute x plus by 3, 3 equal to 3 sin theta. 100% sin theta equal to 3 by 3, 1. When 2 sin theta becomes 1, theta equal to 5 by 2. Similarly, minus 3, lower limits. Lower limit is minus 3 you have. So minus 3 equal to 3 sin theta. So theta equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Now I can change the limits as minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. This is 9 minus 9 is 3 square. Minus x square is 3 square sin square theta. 3 square sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 into dx is 3 cos theta d theta. 3 cos theta d theta. Now this is, I can take 3 square common, 1 minus sin square is cos square theta. Now this becomes minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. If I take 3 square common, 3 square whole power 3 by 2. 2 cancel, 3 cube is left out. So 3 cube means 27. 3 cube here, 27. 1 minus sin square is cos square. Cos square whole power 3 by 2. 2 cancel, cos cube theta. Cos cube theta into cos theta. Cos cube theta into cos theta becomes cos power 4 theta. Cos cube theta into cos theta becomes cos power 4 theta. Into 3 is there. 27 into 3. So becomes 81 into integral of minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2. 27 is 81 into minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2 cos power 4 theta. Now cos power 4 theta I have, but minus a to plus a. If it is even function, it is 2 into 0 to a I can write. If it is odd function, I can write simply 0. But cos power 4 is even function, so I can write 2 into 0 to a. So 81 into 2 into 0 to pi by 2, 2 into 0 to pi by 2, cos power 4x, cos power 4x. Now I can apply the reduction formula. N minus 1 by n into 4. So this becomes, by applying reduction formula, it becomes 81 into 2 into, this is 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 into reduced to 1 by 2. If I am getting 1 by 2 into, right, 5 by 2. So left out is only 1 to 2 gets cancelled, remaining as it is. 81 into 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24. 243 pi by 4 to the 8. 243 pi by 8. 243 pi by 8 is final result. Is the final result. Next one, evaluate. Integral of minus pi to pi sin power 8x into cos power 7x. Sin power 8x into cos power 7x. This is like minus a to plus a. Is 0 if f is odd. 2 into 0 to a fx dx if f is even. We'll check whether f is odd or not. So f of minus x if I write. So sin power 8 of pi minus x into cos power 7 of pi minus x. So we know that sin 180 minus theta sin theta only. So this is sin power 8x. But cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, power 7 is odd, so it becomes minus cos power 7. So negative function, minus f of x. I got f of minus x is minus f of x is odd. Is odd, f of x is odd. Means simply no need to do the sum. Simply write down 0. Simply write down 0. Simply write down 0. Like this we will proceed. The next sum. Integral of 3 to 7 root of 7 minus x by x minus 3. If this is in this form, means root of b minus x by x minus a or 1 by root of x minus a into b minus x. For all these types, or root of x minus a into b minus x, all these types you take x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. You take x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta, then it will be easy. Otherwise, you can do in another way by rationalizing denominator. You can convert it to the form of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c, another form. That we already discussed in the indefinite integration. This here I will tell you another method. Already we discussed it. Px plus q by ax square root of ax square plus bx plus c form. You can convert into that form also. So there are many ways of doing the sum. So I will tell you second method now. That is, let x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Let x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. So a here is 3 and b is 7. So for all this type, take x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. A is lower limit, b is automatically upper limit if you have. So x equal to 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta. Now, diff with respect to x. Diff with respect to x, what happens? So, 1 is derivative of x with respect to x is 1 equal to 3 into cos square theta derivative. X power n formula, n into x power n minus 1 means 2 cos theta into inner derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus 7 into sin square theta 2 sin theta into inner derivative cos theta. Here d theta by dx, here d theta by dx are the inner derivatives. So I am taking that whole as common. Or I will let separate them from inner derivative d theta by dx and here also d theta by dx. So what I want to say is, from both of here I can take 2 sin theta cos theta into d theta by dx common. d theta by dx common. Left out here is minus 3, here is plus 7. So what I want to say is minus 3 plus 7. So what is left out here? This side is 1. So bring dx to this side. Dx equal to, this is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 to the 8 sin theta cos theta d theta. 8 sin theta cos theta d theta. I am taking 2 sin theta cos theta d theta by dx common. So minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 is 4. 4 to the 8. Now substitute coming to here. We need to change the limits also, because this is the limit of x, not the theta. So if I substitute x equal to 3 here, what happens? If I substitute x equal to 3 here, becomes 3 equal to 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta. Now I can bring this 3 to this side, becomes r3 cos square theta to this side. What choice of doing? If you bring this to this side, becomes 7 sin square theta as it is. Here minus 3 comes inside. So if I take minus 3 common, becomes 1 minus cos square theta, that is again sin square theta. What I want to say is 4 sin square theta equal to 0. When 2 sin becomes 0, theta equal to 0. So this is the lower limit. This is the lower limit. So your lower limit is 0. Like the same, if I apply the upper limit, so this becomes 7 equal to this much. Now this time 3 cos square theta as it is, 3 cos square theta as it is, and plus 7 to that side minus 7. So becomes, sorry. Now what I did previously, now the 7 to that side becomes 0 equal to 3 cos square theta plus 7 minus 7 sin square theta. 7 minus 7 sin square theta. I can take 7 common. So 3 cos square theta minus plus 4 cos square theta. What are going to this is cos square theta equal to 0 is possible when theta equal to pi by 2. When theta equal to pi by 2. So the limits are 0 to pi by 2. The limits are 0 to pi by 2. This is upper limit now. So upper limit is pi by 2. Lower limit is 0. So by changing the limits, now root of 7 minus, in place of x, I can substitute this. Means 7 minus 3 cos square theta minus 7 sin square theta by denominator. In place of x, I am substituting again same. 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta minus 3 into, in place of dx, I can write this. 8 sin theta cos theta d theta. 8 sin theta cos theta d theta. Cos theta sin theta d theta. Now the equation becomes 0 to pi by 2 root of, this is sin square you can write 1 minus cos square, and cos square you can write 1 minus sin square. That doesn't matter. Your choice of writing it. Simple way is sin in terms of cos. Now, if you take 7 common from these two, becomes cos square. 1 minus sin square is cos square. So 7 cos square theta minus 3 cos square theta by, from the denominator, if you take minus 3 common from these two, so 7 sin square as it is, 7 sin square as it is, converting cos into sin means taking minus 3 common becomes minus 3 into 1 minus cos square is sin square theta. Here left out is 8, I will write outside, sin theta cos theta d theta. Sin theta cos theta d theta. Now this is 7 minus 3, 4 cos square theta. This is 7 minus 3, 4 sin square theta. Now the equation becomes integral of 8 outside as it is 0 to pi by 2 square root of 7 cos square minus 3 cos square, 4 cos square theta by 4 sin square theta. 4 cos square theta by 4 sin square theta into sin theta cos theta d theta. Now 4 cancel. Root of sin square theta is cos theta. This is also cos theta. I will make one more step. 8 into integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos theta by sin theta into sin theta cos theta d theta. So the sin gets cancelled. This becomes cos into cos, cos square theta. So 8 into 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta. 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta. Cos square theta d theta. From here you can find integration very easily. Very easily. How can I find? There are two ways. Cos square theta you can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Rather than that, simpler than that is, I will take this is I. This is I. Integral of 0 to a fx dx as integral of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Second property I will use. So using property, integration of this part is very easy. So I will go for property. Instead of writing cos square theta is 1 minus 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So I will take this as I. So I is equal to 8 into 0 to pi by 2, or instead of the 0 to pi by 2 cos square of a minus theta, a minus x means pi by 2 minus theta d theta. So this becomes 8 into 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. Now adding this to I plus I, 2i equal to I plus I, 2i equal to 8 into integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 d theta. 1 d theta is 8 into 1 d theta is theta. Theta between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Now this is equal to 8 into upper limit is pi by 2, lower limit is 0. So 2i equal to 8 into pi by 2. You can cancel 2 4 ja, again 2 2 ja. So therefore I equal to pi, 2 pi. I equal to 2 pi is our final answer. I equal to 2 pi is your final answer. 2 pi is your final answer. And same sum, you can learn better. It has a and b and take a and b, simplify. Then you can by heart that formula if you want. Okay. If you take a and b, the formula will be integral of a to b root of b minus x by x minus a equal to, you will get b minus a into pi by 2. B minus a into pi by 2. You can use in object 2. Now observe this is 7 minus 3, 4 into pi by 2, 2 pi. What is our answer? 2 pi. After doing all. So same sum, I am considering a and b, instead of 7 and 3, if I observe, I am getting that. B minus a into pi by 2. That's why I told take a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. So you can by heart that formula you can use for object. Derivation is this.